Good morning, my budgeting friends. Welcome back to Work Right Planner. On this channel, we talk about my budgeting faux pas that led me on a journey to try to pay off 6 figures of overall debt, including my house. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new here, pull up a seat. Stay a while with us. Today, we are doing the July budget closeout, so we're going to see how we did. I'm assuming not the greatest, but we will absolutely see. Let's just jump in here. Okay, so in terms of income for KYTC, I've got $2,590.42, which is higher than what was projected, so yay for that. 90.42 minus 2383, which is what I projected. So we were up by 207.42. The 160 for the YMCA became 183.55. So that is 23.55, higher than projected. We had nothing coming in here, and all of this added together is $2,773.97, which is $230.97 higher than projected. So good for that. The income was up compared to what we had budgeted. So far we are on the right track. Let's move on to the fixed bills. So the accident insurance is always $23.75. So we were to the good, 0.25. The bank fee is $3. Car insurance, $66. Car wash was $25, and the cell phone was $87. Electric was $162.46, which was over by $45.46. The internet was $25.30, so that meant I was 70 cents over. The natural gas was $12.59, which was $15.41 to the good as far as my budgeting goes. The remote access, I need to adjust that in my budget. Hopefully I'll remember to do that when we go into August. But that is $4.71 over budget. Storage was $75. The iCloud was 99 cents, so that gave me a penny. Hulu, my share came out to be $5.20, which was 80 cents under budget. Netflix, my share came out to be $4.84. I don't know how that happened, but I was $3.16 under budget. And then SiriusXM was $7.66, and I was 66 cents over budget. If you add all of this together, you get $511.50. And when you subtract $511.50 from the $27.73.97, you get $22.62.47. Now, I'm not so worried about what these are, so I'll just shade those in. The important thing is we've still got money left here. So let's just go down the page to the debt. Okay, so the Chevy payment was $215.14. That is 86 cents under budget. The Kia student loan payment is $175, so that broke even. The Kia vehicle loan was $80.44, so I was 44 cents over budget. The mortgage was $261.81, putting me 81 cents over budget. Murray State was $25 like always. Wells Fargo, $43.24, so I was $21.24 over budget. The Discover card, I actually don't know why I only paid $16.10, but my share of that payment was only $16.10, which means I was $116.90 to the good. There had to have been a reason why I only made the minimum monthly payment. I don't know what the reason would be. It might be because the whole balance wasn't over there yet. I'm not sure, but that's fine. This payment will just go toward that next month. The debt snowball, the money contributed to it this month was $162, which is $116 over budget. So maybe that's where that went. I don't know, y'all. Sometimes I'm crazy. When you add all of this up, that comes to $978.73. So we're going to take that out of $2262.47, and that leaves us with $1,283.74. Again, I'm not as worried about the differences here at this point. I just want to know that we've still got money left. So we're going to take this balance and head up to our variable budget. So those are more or less bills that I pay. So we'll see how we spent on our variable stuff. We've got $1,283 to go. We spent $155.95 eating out, which was $51.95 over budget. Not great. On gas and oil, my daughter's car has broken down, so I've been running her to work and taking the grandkids to doctor's appointments and such. So I spent $202.79. That is $52.79 over budget. I probably need to rework my budget for the time being because that's not working out well. Groceries, $250.40. So I was $21.40 over budget. So far we're not doing real good, you guys, because I'm more than $120 over budget. Household, I spent $10.31, which left me $1.69 within the budget. Medical, we spent $13.05, so that is $1 and I can't even read my own writing, you guys. $1.05 over budget. Can't math well either, Lord. Okay, so for miscellaneous, I spent $2.76. So for once, we actually have a decent $20.24 under budget. In the overspent category, we absorbed all of that money because we'd already spent it. With Paula, we have $16.27. So that leaves us $6.73 under budget. With pet, we spent $38.65. We replenished all of the pet food this month, so it was a little bit over. So overspent by $3.65. And on the toiletries, we spent $10.76, which is $8.24 under budget. So it's pretty safe to say we're over budget when it comes to the variable income. When you add all of this up, it comes out to be $746.94. Wah, wah. That's almost $100 over budget, you guys. That's crazy. Anyway, when you take $1,283.74 and you subtract $746.94, you're going to have $536.80 as we head into savings. I'm not actually, it's not an actual savings account. It's more like sinking funds that reside in my savings account. So that's what we're going to go to now. So Amazon Prime, I did not spend any money, so that one's just building. That was $18. Birthdays, we actually spent $65.32. So yeah, I didn't do the math. $19.68 still left. Go me. Okay, we're gonna make up a little bit of this here. Let me get rid of those. Okay, car maintenance, this one hurt me. $76.82, which is $56.82 over budget. License and taxes, I didn't spend anything on, which built up that $27. The Sam's Club membership's not paid yet, and Microsoft 365 is not paid yet. So that one's just building. So all that we spent in this category is $142.14. Lord, I can't even math, y'all. $142.14. And when you take that from the $536.80, we have $394.66 left as we head into our actual sinking funds. By the way, the money that I track in actual is not just what I put to these, it's what I spent out of these, because at the end of the year I do track all of these so that I know better how to plan for next year and set my limits for my sinking funds. So sometimes my budget doesn't always come out to be exactly right here at the end, but that's okay. It works out, especially if we're good until we hit here, because all of these have money building over the year. So let's see how we did. Beauty, I didn't spend any money, so that $5 just built. Clothing, I also didn't spend any money, so that's $5 that just built. On date night, we actually did go out to eat. We tried a new restaurant and it was good. We didn't really spend that much. So my share of that was $17.48, which was 52 cents under budget. The Erica budget, I spent $23.56. So that is what, $1.44 under budget. I'll take it. Christmas, we spent $90.58. So that is $44.58 over budget. Stinks, but the money's already there, so not really concerned about that. Easter, obviously didn't spend anything this month. Halloween, didn't spend anything this month. July 4th, we've got $25.76, so that is $8.76 over budget. On the lawn, I spent $18.40, so that left me 60 cents under budget. The litter robot, I haven't spent any money yet, so that's just building. Mother's Day, didn't spend anything. New Year's Eve, didn't spend anything. On the planner, I didn't spend anything. Thanksgiving, I haven't spent anything. Valentine's Day, I didn't spend anything. Appliances, I didn't spend anything. And that's the beautiful thing about sinking funds, you guys. This money didn't get spent, so it's still sitting out there somewhere. Bereavement, we didn't have any of that. The graduations, we didn't have any of that to pay for right now. Grandkids, spent $9.20, which is $13.80. Sorry, mental math. That's still built into the category. Gifts, I didn't spend anything, so that's $3. Kids, spent $3.90, so what is that, $6.10? Christ the King picnic, I didn't spend anything, so that's $16. And so that means that all of this added together comes up to be $188.88. $94.66. Okay, so that gave us $205.78 to finish the month out, which means we ended the note in the good, you guys. 2 thumbs up. That makes me very happy for the month of July. Can't beat that. I hope we have many more months like this. So my next video will be the August budget with me. We'll see how the August budget plays out. Be sure to join me for that one. In the meantime, if you're still in the mood to watch, YouTube has put the best match for you on the screen. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.